Your fast golden cat, mine now. And that weak little white cat. That one's all yours, silly dog.
Welcome back to the main event. These athletes are ready to make history. Look at them go. The white Persian cat is closing in fast on the golden cat. What an incredible race.
Ha! Even if everyone likes and subscribe, no one is going to know that I switched the Persian cats.
Congratulations to Lilly. Her white Persian cat has won the race. Scout's golden cat has lost the challenge. Would the owner of the white cat please come forward to receive the award? Wait, what is happening? Something feels suspicious here.
Lilly, how dare you cheat in this challenge? You're disqualified. The winner is Cooper and his golden Persian cat.